Next, I'll be prompted with a brief set of test instructions with some of the information that I'm about to go over, and a question and a text box to begin test now. We'll start at the top. We see a back button to go to a previous question, a next button to go to the next question, save to save the test, pause to pause it, a zoom out, which we're already all the way zoomed out, and a zoom in button, which will make both the answer portion of the test as well as the question portion of the test larger. I'm going to zoom out here. Two other key components we have up here, the small question mark, which is our help guide. This provides us with context on what the different items in the test interface are. We can scroll through and see lots of different kinds of information, primarily text and some screenshots. I've switched over to the English portion of the test now. One of the features that is available in the ELA portion of the test is that we can make a passage full screen, so if a student does better reading with wide margins, or if they need to only focus on the passage, they can go ahead and click this button, or if they want it to appear next to the question so they can reference it as they answer the question, they can click that button again. Finally, we're going to take a look at the context menu. The context menu is signified by these three bars paired with the question. When I click on the context menu in the practice test, we're given the option for a tutorial, for a notepad, and to mark a question for review. Let's start with the tutorial. When students are taking the practice test, they'll see the option for tutorials to see a quick screencast on how to execute a specific type of question. We're not sure if the tutorials will be available to students in the actual exam, but as students take the practice test, this could prove helpful. Next, the notepad. Students can make notes to themselves as they read a passage or go to answer a question. Finally, mark for review. If I were to mark a question for review, it flags the question, as we see right here. When I finish the test, I'll be prompted to see if I want to go back and review that question.